everyone, today I am going to make a boomerang in which a ball dances in a water due to the water pressure and of thrust. For that I need some instrument, that is battery, water motor and a table tennis ball. So how this all works, let's see in this video. As here is water pocket. Now I am going to paste this water motor by using glue gun in this water pocket. To protect the battery and the switch from water, I hang them upside on the wall. After all the connection completed, whenever I do the switch on, this magic is seen. Wow, this is super! Hope you enjoy this video. Hello everyone, today I have a 1000 rupees note here. And now I am going to burn this 1000 rupees note by using alcohol for science experiment. And this is one of the expensive experiment for me. So for that I have here dilute solution of alcohol. And now I am going to mix this 1000 rupees in this alcohol solution. So let's see what happens. So as I have mixed the alcohol in this 1000 rupees note. Now 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it is really not burning as you can see here.